Hi guys, welcome back and thank you so much for watching. So as you can see, today I'm in a different location. I'm actually in Bali right now, and while I do have a little bit of free time right now in the evening, I decided to film a clothing haul. Also, the natural lighting is very good because we do have sun all the time, almost. I'm actually filming with my vlogging camera, which is a Sony Alpha 5000, I think. So let me know if you like this quality or not, because I can see myself in the screen, so that's awesome. In today's video, I'll show you everything that I have with me while I'm in Bali and everything I bought recently for this trip specifically, and for just like, you know, more like vacation kind of clothes. So yeah, I saw this set on for Love and Lemons, and I usually really like their stuff. It's just kind of girly but really like statement pieces, and especially amazing for vacation. So I decided to get this set. So this is a top, and they also have like a skirt with the set, so it looks basically the same, and it's the same kind of material. So it's kind of like a very sheer net material with a lot of these like flowers, bananas, pineapples, and then more like it's double line basically, so it's not as see-through, although it's quite see-through anyway. So you have this like tan kind of material, which looks very nice, and the same for the bra top. Usually with For Love and Lemons, you should probably size up because their sizing is absolutely crazy, because they run very small. I do have some pieces from them that are in medium and some pieces that are in small, so it really depends. Unfortunately, you know, if it's online purchase, you cannot really tell if it will fit you or not, but I mean, you can just try it and then return it if it's not fitting, and then get another size. And moving on to the next set, which I got from Revolve. I really like Revolve. I really like what they have on their website, and the pieces are usually quite expensive, which of course I don't like, but they're very nice and just scream summer vacation for me. So I had to get these, you know, some pieces. And this one is another set, and this is from the brand called Lovers and Friends. I usually again really like this brand, and I believe I saw this set on, I think, Jules, Sincerely Jules, and I really liked, you know, how basically this fits, and you know how she styled everything. So it's basically the same kind of concept as the previous one. So you have like bralette kind of top, which is this one, and again I will film close-ups and stuff. You have this really nice like crochet material, and again it's double lined, and it's more underneath, it's more like a linen material, again very breathable but at the same time quite warm. And then you also have the skirt, which is basically the same material, and it's in this like ivory soft whitish kind of color, which I really like for summer. And I really like these details in here, so like a flowy kind of skirt in a way, although it's more like an A-line, and then you have this ruffles in here. So it again looks very nice for summer, and these kind of pieces right now are so and moving on to something that again I really like, and it's this top that I'm wearing right now. So it's like a bralette again kind of top. This one again is from For Love and Lemons, and it's one of those pieces again that is really in right now, and I saw this multiple times on Instagram, and I just absolutely love the style. So it's more like a corset bralette in a way, and again this white ivory kind of color is definitely more whiter than the previous set from Lovers and Friends. And again you have the ruffles and these like crochet kind of details. Probably the thing that I like the most are these sleeves in here. I don't know, I just really like them. So let me know if you like them. I know right now internet is probably full of all these kind of tops, but this is like the original one. There is one negative thing about this top is the cost, because it's quite expensive for what it is, and also the sizing as well. I got this in a size small, and it was just too small for me. So this one is in size medium, because I do have quite a large torso area, although I don't have boobs at all, but just wide, I guess. So yeah, small, it was definitely just too small for me, and I can only imagine if you have, you know, a bigger cleavage, you definitely should size up or maybe twice. Moving on, I do have, I know you probably will say like, what? Are you crazy to have this in Bali in very warm weather with you? But yes, I do have a linen jacket. This is a very oversized linen jacket, like blazer, and I got this one from STYLENANDA. I really like STYLENANDA stuff, but unfortunately the sizing there is quite tricky. I mean, you can only buy stuff online, and sometimes they do have only, you know, like those Korean stores, they do have only one size, so you cannot really tell if it will fit okay or not, because models are super skinny, super small, so you cannot really, you know, understand how you will look in those. But I decided to get this one because I really liked the model of this blazer, and I really like, you know, that it's linen, and you have in here the massive shoulder pads, which are really big. You will see right now. It's actually really well made. This one is from STYLENANDA, but it's from the brand called Recover. So because STYLENANDA carries a couple of brands, the sleeves are super big, super just massive. This one I got mainly because I want to wear it more like a dress, like a blazer dress. This is why I say that the sizing is very tricky, but I really like it. I don't know, maybe it's not your kind of thing. Let me know if it's your thing or not, but I really like this kind of thing. Underneath you also have this material, so it's lined. It's very shiny, very it's not super heavy, so it's definitely okay to wear, you know, in summer, in the evening maybe. Okay, now actually it's getting pretty late in here, so I should finish this video faster. Next, I do have a play suit, and this is unfortunately a bit wet right now because I just washed it today. I wanted to just refresh it in a way because I sweat in these clothes, okay, right now, because it's very warm. It's from YESSTYLE, and it's from the brand called AYC. I will leave it in the description box, but it's basically like jeans, very beige jeans material, and it's a bit more hard. It's not as flexible as flowy. It's definitely a harder material, and you have these buttons all the way up. You have these like chunky sleeves in a way, and then it comes also with a belt, and it's definitely more flattering, you know, if you actually use the belt, but you can definitely wear it without it. Really like this kind of things because they're very comfortable, and I like the design and I like the fit. So if it's comfortable, if I like how it looks, then this is a winner. Next dress, again, it's wet. This is from Princess Polly, and it's more like a linen kind of dress. I really like the design of this one, so this is why I got it basically. But it's very kind of flowy. It's very nice for summer because the material is just super breathable, and again, it's one of those styles right now that are really in, especially for summer, you know, spring, summer. This one is double lined, so it's not as see-through as you may think, you know, when you look at this. Only the sleeves are a bit more see-through, but other than that, it looks just absolutely just adorable, you know, that adorable kind of style. I actually discovered Princess Polly recently. I don't know exactly, you know, why, because they have some amazing clothes on their website, and it's not super expensive. You do need to pay taxes if you are buying their clothes because they're from Australia. And the last item that it's actually wet again is this dress, which you again cannot really see, I'm sorry, but I will show you in a close-up. This is from a Korean online store at the 66 Girls, and again, it's that kind of linen-y, cottony kind of material. I really like the design of this one. I really like the shape. I think the shape is very flattering because, you know, it hugs you on the waist, and then kind of the second part of the dress is a bit more flowy. You have these really nice kind of a bit more balloony kind of sleeves, and it's very nice for summer again because of the material. It's lined, so it's not see-through, so that's great. You will not see anything underneath it. And again, it's not expensive at all, so I definitely recommend this one again for summer if you are going somewhere really warm, because it's definitely more just calm, like a calm design. It's not really kind of like a unique piece or like a statement piece. It's a bit more calm, you know, like a good girl kind of design. And the lighting is going away. Okay, so I have another set, and this is from Pretty Little Thing, so UK online store, and this is basically how it looks. So the design itself, so you have these like lines, like vertical lines in here, which are again more flattering. I'm not a fan usually of this mustardy kind of color, but I think that it looks very fresh with the white stripes, so I kind of like it anyway. So this is a set composed of pants, very like wide leg kind of pants, and a bralette. So I'll show you right now how it looks. I got this one in the size 10 actually, because I wanted the pants to be very flowy. Basically pants are a bit more see-through because they're not lined. The bralette is not, so the bralette is lined, so that's great. But these are great for summer because the flowy material and it's very light. I actually saw this set a long time ago on ASOS and I wanted to buy it, but it was always out of stock. So it was in stock right now before the trip, before my ballet trip, so I had to get this. And the last dress is this one, which is basically my mom bought this for me, and I wore this on my brother's wedding, and a lot of you asked me on my Instagram, you know, what dress this is. This is from the brand called Betsy Adam. I guess it's an American brand, and this is the beauty. So it has a lot of sequins, and I love this because it's so shiny, but it's not full of sequins. You can see it's like a pattern, like a design, so it just catches the light. I really like this design, and I really like this greenish color. It's very stretchy material, so that's great. It's aligned, so it's not really see-through, so that's again very great. So it keeps everything in place in a way, and I think this is very important with this kind of dresses. It's not for just like a evening, night out, or you know, just to going out. And I got this one in here because I wanted to take some pictures with this, maybe like in the evening when again the light will catch this. So I love this one. My mom was good. The last two items are basically swimsuit related. So I have this one, which is a full body one, and it's a bit more wet right now, but this one I got on ASOS, and I believe it was on sale, but it's not from ASOS, it's another brand. I got this in the size small, and I really like the color of this one because it's kind of like burnt caramelly kind of color with a bit of gold, so it's a bit more shiny. As you can see, it's not super shiny, but it has a bit of shine, so I think it looks really nice. I really like also the sides because you have this design, so you basically need to tie it, and I think I don't know, maybe flattering, and it's a bit more interesting, and it's not like a plain, you know, plain full body. So that was that. And then moving on to the last one, so it's basically this bright orange swimsuit. This is from Free People, and it's definitely more revealing. You don't have a lot of swimsuit on your body when you wear this, and it's just like kind of like a plain basic two pieces swimsuit. But this one is especially nice just for tanning, so you don't get, you know, all those crazy lines. You can adjust the lines, and you can, you know, just play with this more, because it's not like full body kind of swimsuit, or you will not have some really weird tanning. It's definitely revealing, but I got this mainly for tanning. And the bright orange, I think it looks very nice with more like a tan body, which I don't have right now yet, but hopefully I'll be more tan. Okay guys, and that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. As I mentioned, the lighting is going down and down, but anyway, I hope you still enjoyed watching this, and I tried to play a little bit with ISO so it's not as dark, but yeah. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.